Hey, cocktail enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we mix up the most unexpected and delightful concoctions. Today, I'm bringing you something out of the ordinary, something that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. We're combining the savory flavors of ramen noodles with the spicy kick of rum to create the Shanghai Ramen Noodles Cocktail. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get started. First up, grab your ingredients. This is where the magic begins. You'll need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, which will add a rich, nutty flavor to our dish. 3 teaspoons of grated ginger for that zesty, aromatic punch. 4 teaspoons of grated garlic, because who doesn't love that savory, pungent taste? 4 cups of broth, chicken or vegetable depending on your preference, and 4 cups of water to balance it out. 1 ounce of dried shiitake mushrooms, which will infuse our broth with an earthy, umami flavor. 2 packages of instant ramen. Just the noodles, no seasoning packets needed here. 1/2 cup of chopped scallions or chives for a fresh, oniony bite. 2 cups of chopped kale, adding a healthy green touch to our dish. And 1 cup of shredded carrots for a bit of sweetness and crunch. And for that cocktail twist, we're going to need some special ingredients. 1 cup of spiced rum to give our ramen that unexpected kick, and 1/4 cup of honey to balance out the flavors with a touch of sweetness. And don't forget 4 sticks of cinnamon for garnish, adding a warm, aromatic finish. Alright, heat up that skillet and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil over medium-low heat. This is where the magic starts to happen. Next, toss in your grated ginger and garlic. The aroma will be absolutely irresistible. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until it's soft and fragrant. You'll know it's ready when your kitchen smells like heaven. Smells amazing already. This is just the beginning. Now pour in your 4 cups of broth and 4 cups of water. This will be the base of our flavorful concoction. Bring that to a simmer. Patience is key here. Once it's simmering, add in your dried shiitake mushrooms. They'll soak up all that delicious broth. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the mushrooms are nice and soft and your broth is bursting with flavor. This step is crucial for that deep, rich taste. Time to add those noodles. This is where it all comes together. Throw in your instant ramen noodles and let them simmer for another 5 minutes until they're perfectly soft. Stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. Stir in your chopped scallions or chives and mix it all up. The colors and flavors are just popping now. Remove from heat and add in the kale and shredded carrots. These will add a fresh, vibrant touch to our dish. Now, for the fun part, this is where our cocktail twist comes in. Stir in 1/4 cup of honey until it's fully dissolved. Then add 1 cup of spiced rum to give it a kick. The combination of sweet and spicy will be a game changer. Pour it into your favorite bowl or mug, and for that finishing touch, garnish with a cinnamon stick. It's all about the presentation. There you have it, the cup of Shanghai, or as I like to call it, Shanghai noodles. The spiced rum, honey, and cinnamon stick really bring all the flavors together. It's a symphony of tastes in every bite. If you enjoyed this unique twist on ramen, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. They'll be amazed by this creative dish. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. This is one recipe that's sure to impress. Catch you next time, and happy cocktailing. Until then, keep experimenting and enjoying the wonderful world of flavors. Cheers to delicious adventures in the kitchen.